Hi there, students. A Hierophant, or the Hierophant. Okay, I think principally you're first going to see this as one of the cards in the tarot. Tarot cards are used to tell your future, and one of these cards, the name is the Hierophant. Now, the Hierophant was an ancient Greek priest who interpreted the sacred mysteries, the holy mysteries. The Hierophant brings a religious congregation into the presence of something that's holy. It's like somebody who channels, who brings something holy, something religious to the people present. The Hierophant interprets the holy mysteries. The Hierophant interprets the hidden arcane principles of this. So it's like the Hierophant is the high priest who is like the interpreter between holy things and the normal people. Let's see, you can use this word, a Hierophant, to talk about somebody who explains things. Somebody who interprets complex things. So maybe you could say, I could act as your Hierophant in the interpretation of the mysteries of English pronunciation. I think you can take it to the point where it's talking about somebody who is a teacher, who is showing people how to do things. So maybe a doctor of modern medicine who goes to a third world country could be the Hierophant of improved hygiene, improved sanitary conditions in the country. You could use it like that, although I'm going to say that's not very common, and I would probably give that something like a 7.5 in formality. I think generally you're going to see this word, the Hierophant, to talk about the high priest as a card in the tarot deck. The priest who who explains to you the mysteries, the high mysteries. Normally, the Hierophant represents the religion, the religiosity of somebody. It's interpreted as righteousness, following the hierarchy, following the status quo, moral righteousness. It's someone who this card is interpreted as somebody who is who follows the what society understands. Okay, so a Hierophant. Let's see, formality. Well, the tarot card itself, I think I'm going to give a 5 in formality because it is what it is. But if you use Hierophant to talk about somebody who explains or makes commentaries, then I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 or an 8 in formality. A Hierophant, somebody who interprets secret mysteries, the high priest who interprets the mysteries of the sacred of the gods. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from hieros in ancient Greek, holy, and phino, I show, I make known. So the Hierophant makes holy things known. It explains holy and religious things. things, or he explains holy and religious things. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hierophant, the Hierophant.